Thank you for your interest in the Coquitlam River Watershed Atlas and Project Management System. This is a short tutorial about how to add your project to the Atlas and how to navigate your way around using some of the mapping tools. The Atlas is intended to be used as a resource tool for community members, including developers, planners, biologists, environmental, and other organizations who are seeking information about or wishing to engage in environmentally friendly projects within the watershed. Users can access and input geospatial information about the watershed and low-impact development, fish, wildlife, and habitat projects in the Coquitlam watershed. The goal of the project is to encourage the preservation and development of a healthy watershed and to track the progress of our Lower Coquitlam River Watershed Plan. When you first open the Atlas, you'll see the Lower Coquitlam River Watershed highlighted in red along with other map layers. For example, you can toggle off and on environmental projects, classified streams, wetlands, dikes, and invasive species hotspots. To see more detail, use the magnifying glass to zoom in. To zoom out, use the navigation tools on the top left-hand corner of the map. You can also pan the map up and down or left and right using the navigation tool or the pan tool on the top menu. If you'd like to increase the size of the map on your screen, you can collapse and expand the legend. To change the base map, simply click on the base map icon on the far right of the legend. You'll be able to toggle on and off Google Base Map layers and OpenStreetMaps. You can also print your map by clicking on the print icon on the top menu, or save an image. Finally, if you'd like to export a particular map layer as a KML for use in Google Earth, simply highlight it in the legend and then click the small Google Earth icon. To add your project location and description to the Atlas, first zoom in to see more detail to about a scale of 1 to 5,000. You can check the scale by looking at the bottom right of the map window. You can also go directly to an address by using the Find Address button. Once you can see the location of your project on the map, click the Add a Project button. You will then be prompted to log on using a username and password. Start by filling in your project information. the project name is a mandatory field that must be filled in order to add your project to the database. Please fill in other information about your project, including a short project description, contact information, start and end dates, and project type. Project type is very important. You can choose habitat enhancement, restoration or curation, fish enhancement, invasive species removal, species and risk assessment, green low impact development, or other. Let's choose habitat enhancement and restoration or curation. Next, to add the location of your project to the form and to the map, simply click the Add Point button and then click on the map at the location of your project. The rest of the form can be filled in by answering questions depending on the project type that you selected. Only fill in the questions that apply to your project. For example, we filled in habitat enhancement, restoration, or curation as a project type. We would only fill in section A, habitat restoration, curation, or enhancement. Once you've completed the form, click Save. You can then view your completed form in the database and also view the location of the project on the map. Thank you for participating and for adding your project to the Coquitlam River Watershed and Project Management System.